Did you know letter Y has a secret sound? When it comes at the end of a word, it says E. For example, happy, story, body, city. When a word has more than one syllable and ends in Y, then letter Y says E. Save this video for your little learners and follow for more spelling rule videos. Radhe Radhe.